All right, what's up, guys? Um, so this is on my school account, uh, and I make all my videos public so the kids can't say, "Oh, I can't see your videos." So anyway, so don't leave any stupid comments or anything like that. All right, so here is um, my mail thing. Okay, so we have the it's March 2nd, version 1. That's how I name my stuff. So do the thing is just add the default gist, and then it just does the random signature. And the one thing it does is just adds it to the bottom. I assume that's what he wants. So it adds it where the cursor is. And so if he add another one, just throws it right afterwards. So you kind of gotta add enter. If you want to do another one, you gotta hit enter, which I assume we could probably figure out how to do that automatically. So there we go. So that's how we did that, or that's that. And then I also have the task pane. It opens up, but then the quote generator does not do anything yet. So here's what I did with the code. All right. I gotta move my face over here. All right. So this is what we did with Karen's stuff. So I replaced the extension point right here. So this is all this stuff is from the tutorial that we had. Boom. So yeah, so that's basically this is all the tutorial. See, it says insert default gist right there, and then I wanted to see what I was doing, so I changed the names right there. So that's just straight up from the tutorial that we did, and then the command. So then on the tutorial, which I opened up to here, hold on. Oh yeah. Okay. I basically followed the implement a UI list button, which was pretty easy because there's nothing in the HTML. So in the JavaScript, what I did is a lot of this stuff, the default insert default gist event, a lot of this is checking to see if your file is configured. So see if it's configured and you have default gist. You're going to try a bunch of stuff. And I imagine we do need to put a bunch of that stuff back in. That's kind of what he was talking about today. A lot of tries and that kind of thing. I kind of followed a little bit. But this right here is what actually puts it it actually puts the signature in. All right, so I took this and it's in the commands one. So here, insert default gist. I basically deleted all of it, and then you have a random number. It picks the random number, and then it's going to pick whatever one is the quote to this. So this is our the thing there. Okay. Um, yeah. So anyway, and then this stuff, not quite sure about. I don't know. So it's all in there. Um, so that's where I got that. That's where I got this. We need to figure out, and basically the tricky part is figuring out how to get the cat task pane to talk to commands. And I think what we could do is make another folder and call it like something else, and then have this live there, and then refer to it. It's we can get there. So I think that would be the big thing. And then, so the task fetch Java space, I tried to do the same thing, and then I tried to do it on the run button, and then basically like identically the same thing, and it doesn't work, and I'm not sure why. Obviously, the wording looks different, and I didn't copy over. I don't think I copied it over exactly here. Let's see here. So on the task pane, don't care about that. So the JavaScript, here, see, it does it a little different. Like, so, well, I think because it didn't actually make it a button, it's just made it like an area. So the on-click function there, so it's a little different. And then just trying to figure out. So this is once again what we want. See, there's some error messages and stuff that we need to probably put in there, and that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's where I got stuck. I guess is my blocker. So I will upload this code. Basically, that's the only changes I made then. So the bin one then is the commands JavaScript right there. Boom. That's the big one. Just cleaned out all the gunk there from that. All right. Um, yeah. So yeah, I'm a little tired. So because it's 7:43, almost my bedtime. All righty. Yeah. Talk to you guys later.